with Remodeling Wizards. We're at our client's house here in Chester, Maryland, where we're working on 3 major projects for their home. First, we're putting a new roof on the garage. Second, we're putting new siding throughout. And third, we're putting in some new windows. So I want to take you for a walk around the property. Over here you see 3 windows in a row. That was actually a bay window that we took out and we replaced with flat windows. That's the look that the client had preferred. Whenever you're doing a project where you're replacing siding, you're replacing the windows, it's really the time to think about what you want your ideal home to look like, and we can work that into the design and really give you what you'd like. This is actually a repeat client. We put in the door here just a couple of years ago. While we're on site, we've done work for you in the past. We'd like to look over the work again to make sure it still looks as good as the day that we left it. And if we see any problems, through our warranty process, we go ahead and take care of it for you. So this door is actually looking really good right now, so we're happy with the guarantee that we have on this door. If you look over here, a window used to be right above this window here, a smaller window that we decided to take out. The homeowner wasn't thrilled with it, so we went ahead and decided to take it out while we're at the property. Now, if you walk around over here, we talk a little bit about the siding that we have on site. This product is all sides Ascend line. It's a mid-grade siding product. It's super durable, wind resistant, fire resistant. For a property like this, you can see my hair is blowing all over the place. This property is very close to the water, so it really needed a product that would stand the test of the time and really last through, weather cycles that are going to happen at this site. So if you come around here, this is the garage where we replaced the roof. That project took us about 12 hours. We did it in one day. So we're really thrilled with how that came out. The trick to that part of the project was that we had to match it to the current roof, so that way, the client didn't have to pay to do both roofs at one time. So we were actually able to come up with a very close match. You really can't tell the difference between the garage and the main house. So we're really happy with how that turned out. Coming around back here, you'll see while we're here, the client asked us to go ahead and replace the door over here in the garage. This looks like an older door. It has some wear, so we're going to come in, we'll replace that. We'll replace all the trim work and everything so it looks brand new and matches, this brand new look that we have on this home with the new siding. You see our team, we sent at least 3 or 4 people out to do a project like this, and they're just working away. In terms of timing for a property this size, replacing the windows, doors, and roof will take us about 7 days. So, it's a little bit of an inconvenience as we're doing it, but we try to get in and out quickly and give you a really good product in the meanwhile. So that's all we have to show you here. We're really excited about how this project is turning out. The siding looks so modern. The house looks brand new. And the client is thrilled, so we're happy to. So thanks for listening.